Automated Industrial Motion specializes in custom wire coiling solutions. If your products utilize springs, coils, or other wire forms, AIM is here to help you manufacture those components. The turnkey systems we build center on our state-of-the-art CNC coiling machines that handle nearly any wire diameter or strip material cross-section. This particular application for manufacturing constant force springs is designed and built around the AIM 1000 CNC spring coiler, which can process stainless steel strip material with thicknesses between 2 and 20 thousandths of an inch, and with widths from 1/8 of an inch to 1 inch. The coiling process begins with our AIM 2100 powered wire payoff, which ensures quality by keeping tension constant as wire feeds into the coiler. The AIM 2100's rim drive feature improves operator safety and efficiency by making it easy to load and unload steel reels without lifting. The powered payoff delivers the flat wire through a series of sensors and custom add-ons. The first is an end-of-wire sensor. When the spool empties, this sensor shuts off the program to prevent unnecessary wear on the equipment. The wire then passes through a lubrication system to enhance processing and product quality. Lubrication time and flow are programmable through the main PLC. Next, a laser marking system marks each individual constant force spring. Font, position, and text are fully programmable for product identification and traceability. The final sensor is a splice detector, which prevents spliced wire ends from entering and damaging the tooling on the spring coiling machine. Verified and marked, the strip material flows into the AIM 1000 CNC coiling machine, which is outfitted with custom dedicated tooling for each specific constant force spring design. Tooling packages include feed rollers and wire guides for processing a variety of part configurations on the same machine. This custom coiling system utilizes 2 tooling packages to coil thicknesses from 10 thousandths to 20 thousandths of an inch. 2 additional tooling packages are available for doubling that thickness range. After coiling, each part is cleanly cut using custom part-dedicated die sets. Constant force springs require specific end configurations for integration with other assembly parts, and AIM offers fully customized tooling to meet those requirements. As each spring is cut, a custom part chute sends the coils to an inline conveyor, which deposits them into a stress relief oven for heat treatment. We offer a number of options for stress relief to maximize quality, speed, and efficiency while meeting your part specifications. Next, coils pass through a cooling conveyor to make sure the heat-treated parts are cool to the touch. This custom coiling system produces over 2,000 parts per hour, each one fully stress-relieved, cooled, and ready for the next operation. We not only provide equipment tailored to your needs, but we provide a full package from concept to delivery, including design support, process optimization, and equipment integration, as well as ongoing support to make sure your custom equipment keeps running smoothly. If you're ready to vertically integrate coiling into your manufacturing operations, Automated Industrial Motion is here to help every step of the way. Take full control of your production process with AIM's proven solutions. Contact us today for a free consultation.